Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case.
Thank you. Good afternoon. This is the City of Orting infraction calendar, and I'm going to go ahead and call the roll here and see who's here. Please answer if your name is called Malaku Akalwold. I see you're online.
Yes, that's
Good
me
morning.
on here. Morning.
James Douglas. Jaden Diet. Leonard Grove.
Here, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. Jarrett Hogans.
Bill.
Good afternoon. Trenton Hogaboom Osborne. Good afternoon. Kurt Lay. And Cecilia Macia Sanchez. Good afternoon. All right. I see Kurt Lay is also here. Just who we're missing. All right, so this is, as I indicated, an infraction calendar. That means that you've been given a traffic ticket, and then we have two types of hearings. The first type of hearing is called the mitigation hearing. That's the I did it, but I'm here to explain my circumstances and hope that the fine can be reduced hearing. The second hearing is the contested hearing, and that's the I didn't do it and the city can't prove it hearing. So the difference between the two is one of them you have a mini trial, the second one, the contested hearing. And the standard of proof in a trial is simply what they call a preponderance of the evidence. So if you have two stacks, what stack weighs more? That's what a preponderance of the evidence is. In the mitigation hearing, I will always probably reduce the fine unless I'm unable to because of statute. Anyone in the courtroom or on the screen who wants to do what we call a deferred fining, to qualify for a deferred fining, you have to not done one within 7 years, and you can't have a commercial driver's license. If you haven't got those, and I can typically do a deferred fining, that means you pay $175, you have no tickets for 1 year, and I dismiss your case. It never goes on your record. And that's the one that most people take because it doesn't go on your record and doesn't affect insurance. So let me go ahead and see who we have here. All right.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
This is Kurt. I had my mute off. I'm sorry.
That's all right. I've marked you here, sir. It's
Okay.
Kurt Lay, right?
Yes, thank you.
All right. I saw you on the screen. Good morning, afternoon. So this one is Malaku. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hi. You're here for a mitigation hearing. You've already done a deferred fine, so I can't do that. The fine on this is $139. Tell me what happened. What happened in this case?
Yeah. So basically, I was kind of hanging out with some friends, and one of them offered to let me drive their car. So I did. I wasn't completely really used to the car, and I accidentally went too fast through an area that shouldn't have been going fast in at all. And it was a mistake, and I understand that. And so I was, I guess, just hoping for something. I'm not sure.
Well, you got a failure to yield pedestrian in a crosswalk. Being it's a mitigation hearing, I will find that it's committed. I'll reduce the fine to $100. Okay? We'll send you that notice in the mail.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Is there? Okay.
James Douglas. Don't see him. I thought he answered. All right. I guess he didn't. And Jaden Dyatt, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you loud and clear.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Did you have insurance on the date of the ticket?
Oh, that's what this is. No, I did not.
All right. Let me take a look here and see what you have. All right. So unfortunately, you've already done a deferred fining. So what I will do on this one is, I will make the finding of committed, and fine is $553. I will reduce that to $200. You can pay it over time if you can't make a payment. So at least $50 a month. If you can't make a payment, please call the court, and we'll work with you. Okay?
Alrighty.
All right. Has your address changed since you got the ticket?
No, sir, it has not.
All right. So we'll send you this in the mail. You're free to go.
Right.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Sweet. You too.
Leonard Grove?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have insurance on the date of the ticket?
No, I did not.
All right. Let me see what we got here.
I'll give it on the 10th.
We have slow computers today. All right.
We got my license renewed also.
If you're able to go a year without a ticket, what I can do is do what they call a deferred fining. 175, no tickets for 1 year. I'll dismiss your case. It never goes on your record.
All right.
You want to do that?
Yes, sir.
That means no tickets. Okay?
Yep.
All right. And if you need time to pay it, that's fine. Otherwise, you can go up to the counter and set up a payment plan.
I'll pay one
All right.
on Friday.
All right. Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
She's going to have you sign this.
Sir.
Sir? She's going to have you sign this.
Sorry.
Must be a high volume afternoon rush. And Jarrett Hogans?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. Come on up. And I understand you're here for a contested hearing. Just to let you know, if you wanted to do a deferred, you can do one. It's 175, no tickets for 1 year. Your case is dismissed. If I do make a fine committed on this, it goes on your record and the fine is imposed. So do you want to do the contested hearing? Ticket, I believe, is $169. So for $6 more, you can guarantee it's off your record. Okay. Where's your radar book?
Wait, well, was it deferred, my expression, right?
Sure.
Before that, was it deferred to 175 without day or once or fair?
Nope. You obviously, we can make payments. You just go out there and set up a payment plan. And if you can't make a payment, we'll let you make it over time. In other words, you call up and say, I can't make the payment this month. Can I make it next month? We're going to let you. 1 year, no tickets, case is dismissed. Doesn't go on your record, doesn't get... Well, parking's fine. Yeah, but speeding, no, you can't do that. Yeah, any moving offense. All right. All right, so no tickets for 12 months. Your case is going to be dismissed. I'm sure you can make it. Yeah. So I'll have you go ahead and sign. Yes. All right, and I'll get you a copy of this. There you go. Thank you. Good luck. He went the other way. Okay, so we don't need that. Trenton Hogaboom Osborne.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have insurance on the date of the ticket?
No, but I have insurance.
Okay. Let's see. Okay. You may have a bit of a record, but you do qualify for deferred fining. You pay $175, have no tickets for 1 year. I'll dismiss your case. Do you want to do that?
Yeah, we can do that. What happens if, like, you get taken care of in the deferred?
Then it goes on your record.
Okay.
We don't want that. They say that a ticket corrects the behavior for about 7 weeks. You need it corrected for 52. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Kurt Lay,
Am I here?
did you have insurance on the date of the ticket, sir?
Yes, I did, sir.
Is there? Did you send it to us, or is there a way you can?
Right here. Can you see it?
Well, if you hold it up to the camera where if you can see it clearly, I can see it clearly. If you can't see it clearly, I can't.
Okay.
And so, let me see if I can, here we go. Does he need to move it one way or the other? Move that, yeah, keep going a little bit more that way. No, keep going a little more. There it is. All right. And then tell me about the expired tabs.
Okay. It's a motorcycle, and I bought it in 2019 in August. So I thought it was due on August. I didn't know every time you go and get your tabs, they just go from year to year. And so since I bought it in August, I thought I had till August to buy tabs. But I bought the tabs on 7/12/2021. So so I have bought the tabs for it. I just didn't know that they ran from year to year instead of from when you got your tabs to the following year like a car does.
All right. On the no insurance, it's dismissed with a $25 administrative fee. And once that's paid, the case is closed. I'm dismissing the other one at this time, but I won't next time.
Okay, great. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
Yep.
Cecilio, come on forward. Let's see what we have. Did you have insurance on the date of the ticket? Why is that? But I mean, you have it for me today? Okay, let me see. And what's the date of the tickets? And then tell me about the tab issue.
The tabs, well, I forgot. I didn't know they were expired. Been working 7 days in the project in the convention center.
All right.
Didn't know they were expired.
I'm going to dismiss it this time.
Thank you.
And so the other one, I make the finding dismissed, but there's a $25 administrative fee. Once that is paid, the case is closed.
Okay.
It does not go on your record. All right?
Pay that fee?
You can.
You can stop at the window.
Okay.
All right?
You don't want to have
Thank
them sign it first, or?
No.
Okay.
We're
Just
good.
go to the window.
We're good.
Okay. Thank you.
And so score is online. It's at 3 o'clock, I thought.
It is.
Hello? Is somebody there from score?
Come on, guys.
Yeah, we can. Can you hear me all right, officer? I don't know if the officer at score can hear me.
Can you hear me now?
Yes. We thought this was at 3 o'clock. Let me see if we can get our prosecutor and public defender, okay?
It was for 3. I actually signed on a bit early, so we could still do 3 if that works for you guys.
Well, if we can get them, we'll get it done, but they just left,
Okay.
so they might still be in their cars.
Okay, yeah, we'll just stand by.
All right, thank you.
Of course. Let me grab your paperwork. not have or no either? What's that? Okay, you want me to give it to him? Is that his number for, to call him? What are you showing me for? Christensen? Okay. Christensen down? Hey, you have Christensen for Bellevue? We don't. Oh, okay. Is Bellevue? No, they're here. Bellevue, we don't have Bellevue down here yet. Oh, okay. Are you doing Bellevue? Okay, give me a second. Yeah, they're here. I'll talk to them.
Officer score? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
They will both be ready in about 20 to 25 minutes. Does that work for you?
That works for us. I'll just keep you logged on for now.
All right. Thank you.
Of course.
have South 512 correct next.
We're just waiting for our public defender here. Should be just another second or two.
Okay. Can you hear us?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Why you mute me? Shouldn't I be able to hear?
let's go ahead and get it started then.
All right.
Good afternoon. Can everyone hear me?
Yeah.
And Mr. Martin, was that you?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. And I see Matt there, and there's Aaron. All right. This is a pre-trial on James Martin, 1A0587734 and 1A0587773A. Mr. Rusnick, where are we at?
I do need just a minute with Mr. Martin on a breakout.
Okay.
I think we can probably come to a resolution, but it'll be quick.
All right.
All right.
We'll send you in.
Stand by just one. Let's see.
Thanks. Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Matt, we can too
Okay.
still, so you're not in the room yet.
Okay, thank you.
There we go.
Your Honor,
Howdy.
are we able to get connected with his attorney again in a breakout room?
Oh, yeah, we can
So we're going to send it again.
Okay, thank you. There was an issue with volume.
Yeah, we couldn't be that lucky. We're ready.
Yeah, I was like, that was quick for.
There was.
Hey, Your Honor, we're back again. We're still having video and sound connection issues.
Still have connection issues?
Yeah, we can't communicate with his attorney at all.
Let me let me do it this way. I am going to. I can't do it without getting rid of Aaron. Can't,
yeah.
get a.
Yeah.
Do you want me to bring Matt back?
Yeah, let's get Matt in here and let's see if we can get a call.
So my IT is standing by, so he might have been able to fix it.
Okay.
So if you want to try the breakout room again, I have the IT.
All right, we'll try that again.
Okay.
Technology is great until it's not.
I think it's on there.
You're there.
Win.
Come out. Hungry? Getting kind of hangry.
Hangry. Well, it's almost dinner time now. Paris.
Sorry.
All right. Can everyone hear me?
Yeah, I just sent that over.
Okay. Is it
We were having some problems with Score. I don't know with the audio and Score. I don't know if you're connected still over there or not. But
Mr. Martin, can you hear us?
Yeah.
All right.
Yep.
No, they can.
Okay. So can I call it? We ready?
Sure. We're here.
Okay. This is James Lee Martin, 2 cause numbers. Well, actually 3, but 1A058773A, 1A50587734, and then an infraction 1A0587735. Mr. Martin will be entering pleas of guilty to the charge of assault 4th degree, hit and run attended, and negligent driving 1st degree. Upon acceptance of the plea, those pleas, I believe the city will be dismissing the infraction and the charge of resisting arrest. Mr. Martin understands that by pleading guilty, he is waiving, by definition, a number of very important constitutional rights, specifically the right to go to trial, the right to a jury trial, the right to have witnesses testify on his behalf, the right to confront and cross-examine witnesses who testify against him, the right to remain silent at trial, the right to appeal a finding of guilt after a trial. He is making those waivers knowingly, intelligently, and voluntarily. He is aware that he is facing 2 gross misdemeanors and a misdemeanor for an aggregate potential maximum sentence of 2 years and 89 days of jail and $7,000 in base fines. He is aware you do have the discretion, notwithstanding the joint recommendations of the parties, to impose anything up to and including that aggregate sentence. He is also aware there is a collateral consequence, and that the Department of Licensing, upon receipt of a conviction for hit and run attended, will be suspending his driver's license for a year. He understands that's not part of this court, but it is a veritable certainty, and it's a collateral consequence. Lastly, he is a U.S. citizen. Nonetheless, he has had his Padilla warnings, and he's prepared to go forward.
Thank you.
And Matt, I just added the negligent driving with a prior DUI.
Okay.
I believe those apply. Also, the travel restrictions apply, and I added in
that's fine.
he exhibited the effects of having consumed alcohol.
That's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
By him. Was that just sent, Aaron?
I also put /S that he's approving it on video.
Okay.
Approved.
Did you just send that to us, Aaron?
Just signing it now.
Oh, okay. So this won't be the one, it'll be another.
And he's got 28 days credit, Your Honor.
All right. Is that it?
I failed to put that on the form.
And are you James Martin?
Yes.
And what's your date of birth?
2179.
And did you hear what your attorney just told me?
Yes.
All right. And so the first part is, did you go through those really important constitutional rights under number 5?
Yes.
Are there any you'd like to go over at this time?
No.
All right. On number 6, there is a recommendation. It is only a recommendation. I can impose up to the maximum penalty. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And you understand you'll be required to contact your probation officer if there is one, or the court if there's no probation department to request permission to travel or to transfer to another state if you're placed on probation for 1 year or more and this crime involves an offense in which a person has incurred direct or threatened physical or psychological harm, an offense that involves the use of or possession of a firearm, a second or subsequent misdemeanor offense of driving while impaired by drugs or alcohol, a sexual offense that requires the offender to register as a sex offender. You understand you'll be required to pay an application fee with any travel or transfer request.
Yes.
And has anyone made any promises or threats to make you sign this form?
No.
And you're doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And it says on 8/9/2021 in Orting, Washington, I drove a motor vehicle in a negligent manner by getting into an accident with another occupied vehicle and fleeing the scene after consuming alcohol and spat upon a police officer when I was being arrested.
Yes.
And that's a true and correct statement?
Yes.
All right. I'll make a finding that the plea of guilty is knowingly, intelligently, and voluntarily made, and I'll read the police report. Based on the police report, I'll make the finding that on or about August 9, 2021, in Orting, Washington, the defendant, James Martin, committed the crime of hit and run attended. Make that finding of guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. I'll make a finding that on or about 8/9/2021, I find the defendant, James Martin, guilty of negligent driving, first degree. Again, I make that finding of guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. I'll also find on or about August 9th, 2021, that the defendant, James Martin, committed the crime of assault, fourth degree, and make that finding beyond a reasonable doubt. Is there anything you want to tell me before I proceed to sentencing, sir?
No, sir.
All right.
Did you want to ask the judge about those trustee hours?
Oh, yeah, I was just asking, I have like over 72 hours in here. I was hoping that I could use it towards either my fines or something. Because on the paper they gave me says that people do that. They use it for community service hours or even child support, I heard. So I was just asking if there's a way that I could use those hours, since I probably lost a lot of my clients being in here, so I don't really have... I might have them, I might not, getting out of here. I don't know, but I have these hours that I worked in here, so I was just wondering if I could use those towards something.
I will address that at the end after hearing from Mr. Walls. I'm going to go ahead and fill out the sentencing order here. Mr. Resnick, is there a Blazina claim?
Yes, Your Honor. I think he's, as he represented, I think he does some independent contracting work as far as landscaping goes, and I think he's lost most of his clients being in jail.
And do you have any other source of income right now, Mr. Martin?
I do get a check from SSI.
Okay. I will find that he is indigent, and I will not impose the assessments.
However, I do have a lot of, half of my clients are kind of close, like friends and family, friends. So I'm pretty sure that they wouldn't fire me. However, there's other ones that are questionable, but
Right, the sentence is as follows. For the hit and run attended, 364 days in jail with 334 suspended, a fine of $5,000 with 5,000 suspended. With the negligent driving, 90 days in jail with 90 days suspended, fine is $5,000 with 5,000 suspended. The assault, fourth degree, 364 days in jail with 334 suspended, a fine of $5,000 with 5,000 suspended. Sentences are concurrent, serve a total of 30 days with credit for 28 days served. The issue of restitution is reserved. No criminal law violations. Do not drive a motor vehicle without a valid license and insurance. To obtain a drug and alcohol evaluation within 90 days and start any treatment within 90 days. Also within 90 days, complete a DUI victims panel. Use no alcoholic beverages, non-prescribed drugs, no marijuana. And that completes the sentence. Any questions?
no, sir.
Mr. Wallace?
Am I going to get a paper with all this on it?
Yes. And it looks like you'll be out in 2 days.
I think with good time, potentially today.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Did I get an answer whether I can use these hours in here?
There's really nothing to use them on because I did not impose a fine or any costs, and your jail sentence is apparently up.
Okay. All right. Thanks.
And the infraction was dismissed as well, Mr. Walls?
That's correct.
So do you have if you have an infraction form, we'll dismiss it on there. All right, and I've dismissed the infraction then. That is the order of the court.
Thank you.
All right, that concludes this hearing unless there's any questions.
Thank you.
Mr. Walls and Mr. Resnick, we'll see you in a couple weeks. Mr. Martin, good luck to you.
Thank you.
In a couple weeks. All right.